What's up, YouTube? Welcome to more trades. Okay, this is Bitcoin on the daily. If you watched my video yesterday, then you would know that I mentioned the 25-2 as a zone of interest, and I was watching it for reaction. However, I also want to highlight that I posted a short video saying that Fibonacci time is incoming today. I mentioned it days ago, and Fibonacci time is just a pivot point. It could either go up, go down. It might propel the price further down, or it could reverse it back up. Obviously the markets move up and down. No one can tell you where they're going, but you can play higher probable trades. At the moment, on the 4-hourly or the hourly even, I want to show you this. We are in a box. This box, the bottom of the box is the 0.5 fib retracement of this third wave move up here of this entire fifth wave. We are essentially in the fifth wave, and if we are in a fifth wave, the fifth wave will have 5 waves up, and we have completed 3, and possibly now we are here at the 4th wave at the bottom of the range, perfectly hit at 0.5 fib retracement. And if we bounce off from here, then Bitcoin could do can move higher. However, the 5th wave just needs to break the 3rd wave, so it can go slightly higher, or the 5th wave in rare cases can just be a truncated 5th, which means it will be shorter than this, and that will be done, and then we'll be coming down from there. Once this 5 wave move is completed to the upside from the lows, that's what I'm talking about now, the bigger 5 wave move from down here, from the 15,400 range, then would say 5 wave move is completed up. We could have had an ABC up, then we're coming down further to make lower lows. We'll have to see how Bitcoin starts coming down. Is it corrective? Is it impulsive? Now what I have done is I scaled into a small long position in this wave 4 support, although it's not very advisable because the wave 5 doesn't really have to do that much. You need to if you want to trade higher probable trades, then you wait for the wave 2 and you trade the wave 3. The wave 3 is a long one. This is a wave 4, and I'm trading a short wave 5, anticipating probably a further upside to 26k, or even to the CME gap, because we do have a CME gap. But you need to know, at the 25-200 zone, we had the 200 and the 50 EMAs as resistance. We also had the 200 MA in and around that region. So we have a lot of resistance. Essentially, you are at the top of the range. So what I'm doing is this is a riskier trade, but you are at the top of the range. Higher probable trade would be if you just shorted at the top of the range, as I gave you those targets before. What I'm looking at here, however, we have 2 levels I'm looking at to see a reaction. I have the 24,600 zone over here, which is a naked point of control and POC, and to the downside I have the 22,777 and POC. So I'm going to look how price reacts. So if I start breaking down below the 23.3, I'll be stopped out, I'll be happy, and I'll wait for the next zone either to enter a long or enter a short on a retrace and a rejection. If we start coming up to the 24.6 zone, I will be thinking of taking profit 1 probably, and I will be looking at the reaction. If the reaction is bearish and I see a nice rejection of this zone, then I might switch from long to short. You need to trade the markets objectively, and don't stick to your biases all the time. Although I mentioned sometimes that I have a bias of a lower low coming in, but in the meanwhile you can trade it either up, either down. Okay, that's it for now. I hope you liked the update. If you did, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, join the free Discord where I post my ideas when I don't do videos. And if you really like this content and you really like to support the channel, then there is a link in the channel description and in the video description. More trades. I'm out.